Okay, so for this question, we want to use the table to answer the question that follows. So we've got our table here. It shows us our 52-week high, our 52-week low, the stock, the ticker symbol, the volume in the hundreds, the high, the low, the close, and the change. So last year, Richard purchased 80 shares of Zycodec at its lowest price of the year and purchased 55 shares of Unix at its highest price of the year. If Richard sold all the shares of both stocks today at their respective closing prices, what is his overall rate of return? Well, if I want to figure out his rate of return, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go down to the tab here that says rate of return. Okay, and I'm going to make this smaller so that we can kind of look and see what everything was here. Now it tells us he purchased 80 shares of Zycodec and 55 at Unix. So I'm going to put 80 here for the Zycodec, and then the 55 here for the Unix. Now it said he bought the Zycodec at its lowest price of the year. So the 52-week low, if you notice, is right here for $31.83. And then he bought the Unix at its high. Well, the high was $13.42. Now it says that he sold them today at their respecting closing prices. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to look and see, okay, here's their closing prices. So I'm going to put the 80 shares for the first stock. Closing price was $42.21. Then 55 shares of the second stock at $13.52. And we want to know what our overall rate of return is. So if you notice right here, it shows the total rate of return. So the total rate of return here would be 25.45%.